Hello guys and welcome to this video. In today I'm going to compare between FTUK as a prop firm to FTMO. So let's dive in. So right now I am at whichfunded.io. If you don't familiar with this website, I will leave a link for all the links that I will talk with you today. Don't worry. You can filter by your parameters. You can find new prop firm or get more knowledge and coupons. For example, if you want to trade news and leave your trade over weekends, maybe those prop firm are for you. Just check it out and you will get more knowledge inside this website. FTMO and FTUK. The year that they founded. FTMO founded at 2014 and FTUK 2021. Maximum balance. You can get funds up to $2 million with FTMO and up to almost $6 million with FTUK. I don't know why is that a specific number, because if one of the manager of FTUK see that video, tell me in the comments why you choose that specific number. Tradable asset. You can trade with FTMO, Forex, indices, metal, commodities, stocks, and crypto. And with FTUK, Forex, indices, commodities, and crypto. So the difference is about stocks and metal. Yeah. Challenge type. Two-step evaluation with FTMO and one-step evaluation and instant funding with FTUK. The trading platform, both of them you can trade with MetaTrader 4 and 5. FTMO give you the option to trade with CTrader as well. Trading hours, both of them you can leave your trade overnight and over weekends. That is good, very good. Copy trading, you can do copy trading only with FTMO, and news trading and EAs allow in both of those prop firm, but news trading for FTMO is depend about which package you choose there, because the swing trading, if you choose a swing trading, you can do news trading, but if it's the scalp, check that out before, all right, before you choose any package. But in general, it's allowed in the swing trading. Trustpilot rating 4.9 out of 5 with more than 4,400 reviews. Go to FTMO, amazing review, and 4.6, not bad at all. With more than 150 reviews until I record this video. I don't know when you see that. Check that out if you want to see the newest review in Trustpilot or in which funded blog. Payment types: wire transfer, Skrill, crypto, credit card, Google Pay, and much more with FTMO. You can get all your payments, whatever you choose, all right? And if you choose FTUK, you have the wire transfer, PayPal, Pioneer, Coinbase, Revolt, and Wise. Again, you can choose most of those payment types. If you would like to get more information about those, I cannot do the challenge evaluation comparison because they don't have challenge in common. They don't have the same evaluation, so I cannot compare. But if you would like to get more information about one of them separately, check our channel, and I already did a video about one of them separately, and or just go to whichfunded.io and check it out there. Thank you for watching. Trade safely, and I will see you soon in our next videos. Bye for now.